In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade in Mitrade. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go over here to the Trade tab, top left, and then from here, of course, you can go inside your favorites or your recently viewed, but of course, you just have to find something you want to trade. So I'm going to go to search symbols up top, I'm going to go into crypto, and for this video, I'm just going to show Bitcoin here as an example. Now, I am on my demo account over here, but this will work exactly the same if you are on your real account. Here you can see everything like the price and stuff like that, and then over here you can see your chart from TradingView, so you can do some technical analysis if you want to. That's completely fine. And then whenever you're ready to actually start trading, of course you can trade with this buy and sell button over here on the right. So as you can see, you want to switch to trade, and then if you want to buy, you can click on over here, and then you'll be able to see you can select either a market or a pending order over here. So if it's a market, it's going to basically buy the exact quantity you actually set over here. So for example, here I can just go how many lots I want, and then in here it's basically going to show you how much that is in your currency. Now you could also do these percentages if you want to, and then if you have a pending order, this is basically like a limit order. You can select that you want to buy when price is, and then select a specific price. So for example, if I do like 82.2k over here, it's going to buy whenever that time comes, okay? So whenever price reaches that point, it's going to actually make an order. Now down here again, you have the quantity, and then with both, so the market and pending orders, you also have the options for take profit. So you can set your take profit, you can set your stop loss if you want to, and then here you also have a trailing stop if you want to use that. Now whenever you're ready, you can go ahead and click on the buy button over here, and that way, as you can see, your order will be placed, and that's how you basically start trading. Now of course, to trade you also have to sell, so this is how you buy, and if you want to sell, then whenever you're ready, you can just click on sell over here, and then whenever you're basically ready, whenever you want to, you can set a market or a pending order yet again, and then you can just select how much you want to sell, and then click on the sell button down here whenever you're ready, and there we go, I've just done a trade. So that's basically how you trade in Mitrade. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.